Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about very interesting and great topic, the footballs and cricket stadiums 3D wallpapers, designs and ideas. So if we talk about this theme, so this theme is very popular for the Asian and European countries because football and cricket, these two these two sports games are one of the most popular games, and everyone like these games, and every people so many craze because the football and cricket is two are the unique games, and everyone see and everyone watch this great sports games. And so today we will discuss about 3D wallpapers for sports, cricket and football designs and ideas. So some big with our extensive range of football wallpaper and wall murals. So these are the great if you are looking for an impressive feature wall, or if you are stuck for boys bedroom ideas custom printed to the size of your wall. So these football wallpapers are the perfect fit, not matter what the room. So especially for boys room, boys wants to decorate theme in cricket style and football style, because these two sports are one of the most great, and the disaster to industry, and the possibilities are endless with options such as football stadium wallpaper, such as cricket stadium wallpaper. For those imaginative minds, you are bound to find that finishing touch to your football bedroom here at the Canvas Art Rocks. So you should to try this stadium, cricket stadium or football stadium designs. Why is so much craze about cricket and football, especially for football? Football is one of the most great sports. Number one are football. So football wallpapers and wall mural are so unique, and decorate your room like this, and especially for bedroom boys bedrooms design and ideas. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, share this video, comment this video, share this video for your friends, subscribe. Thanks for watching.